It's so big and bright, it's supernatural delight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight.
That is Dell 3524 here, and today we're going to be upgrading the RAM in the Dell Latitude E6400. So what you want to do is get a Phillips head screwdriver, and you want to unscrew this bolt right here. So you just want to unscrew that, and once that is unscrewed, you then want to take this cover and pull it back, or pull it away from you, and it will release, showing all the components. And then your RAM slot is right here. And then what you're going to want to do is then take the RAM and line it up. You can see right there, there is a there's a part of the socket that has a little almost like a tab, and you line that tab up with the open spot on this piece of RAM, and all you have to do is line it up, push it in, and then push down till it locks into place. Then you'll take the cover, put it back on, and pull it towards you, and then you will screw back on the cover. And then once that's on, you will turn on the computer and press F1 when it tells you to. And that is how to upgrade the RAM in the Dell Latitude E6400. Any comments, questions below?
Things loose that keep things alive.